Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be Vlogmas Day 5. I told you guys in yesterday's vlog that I was going to be decorating my room today, and here I am. There is a huge mess behind me, and that is because, number one, my room is super cluttered, and there's just too much stuff in it. So yeah, I already took like everything off of like the dressers and stuff just to make it look really basic and simple. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, I have been looking up a lot recently, and that is because I got a new camera as an early Christmas gift. This is the Canon SX740HS, and it is a really great alternative to the G7X. You can probably tell the quality and also the range that this is shooting in, because with my old camera you used to only see like this part, but now it literally, you can see the whole thing. Also, staring into the viewfinder is a really bad habit, because with my old camera, the viewfinder used to be to the side, and when I would look at it, it would look like I was looking into the lens when I wasn't. So looking up is going to be something that I'm going to have to get used to, so just bear with me through the Vlogmas. But yeah, I'm decorating my room today, and I'm having my sister Carly help me, because as you probably learned from my Vlogmas Day 3, that I don't know how to style. She said that I have really cute things to work with, but I just like wouldn't know how to like where to put them. So Vlogmas Day 4 was when I went shopping for all of these Christmas decorations. So if you want to know where I got anything from, I did vlog the whole experience in the video. Link will be down in the description. So far what we did was we organized the back of the drawer, because I'll put in the before clip right now. As you can see, there were so many different colored sweatshirts, and yeah, I wore them, but it just didn't look pleasing to the eye. So I'm not going to get rid of them just because they're not black, gray, or white. I'm going to be hanging up like the colored ones, like the orange, red, and blue ones in my closet, just so they're not out. I'm not only hanging them up just because the color didn't match. I'm doing it just because these are the jackets that I wear the most, like my North Face and light jackets. Like, I don't wear that orange hoodie every day, and it's kind of like a crop hoodie, so it's not really like an actual like hoodie, if you know what I mean. Oh my god, you guys, I have been needing and wanting to clean this mirror for the longest time. Can you even see how dirty this is? That's disgusting. Now it's clean. Okay, so now I'm gonna just hang up these hoodies in my closet. They should have been in my closet in the first place. Also, I might just be putting away some hoodies because they're really light and it's winter time, so I would only really wear this in like the summertime. Okay, so I have like these holes in my wall. I have a bunch of them because I used to have shelves here that held all of my eyeshadow palettes, and then they were really bad shelves. They kept falling down, and my eyeshadow palettes would literally crack from this short fall. So I ended up taking the shelves down, and now I just have like the screws in the wall, which looks like really bad, and I know that, but there's really nothing I can do about it now. I tried to put like that decor there just to cover it up a bit, but there's so many holes that it can't even, that tiny picture can't even cover it all, unless if I end up repainting it, which is going to be like a whole day job, because I'll have to spackle and then repaint it and let it dry and things like that. So that would be like a really long process. Maybe I'll end up doing that in the future, but just not in this vlog, because it is Vlogmas, so I have to get this up by the end of the day. No more of that. So even though my bed is boarded, this kitten finds a way under it, and as you can see, that board is knocked over because she pushes through it. So there's no more of that. We're gonna clean out everything from under the bed. We're gonna clean out everything from the bed, reboard it. I don't know how, because we tried to do it numerous times and they just keep breaking through it. And for some reason, my bed, out of like all the beds and couches in this house, they choose to break down mine. Like all the other boarded beds have stayed boarded, but mine they always break through mine and they just like to stay under my bed, both of them. So we're gonna reboard it, clean it out, vacuum it, and just like do a deep clean. Okay, Emmy, okay. Emmy, now, see, she just tried to run back under. So I just threw in a load of wash with my comforter and my sheets, and she's trying to reboard up the bed, but it really can't because this board right here is short. So even if you like readjust it, it's still not going to be long enough to cover the whole thing. So I don't really know what we're doing with that yet, but yeah, we're getting there, people. It is now 3:26. We're still not done. It's taking quite a while because we have to like reattach all sides of the board, not just that one that was broken, because they're all busted. So we're fixing that right now, and then we're gonna wait for the bed skirt, and then we'll put that on and finish everything up, because right now, besides the bed, everything is still looking like super messy. So this is what the room looks like now. We kind of cleaned everything up off the floor to vacuum around the bed because we already vacuumed under the bed. And the whole problem that we're working with now is this, because I have way too much makeup to just fit in this and this. So I was thinking about getting the tall Alex 9 drawers, because that's like the only storage unit that would fit all of my makeup, because even these drawers right now are literally overflowing with makeup, and it's kind of ridiculous, I know. So we kind of just put everything on the bed to start fresh, and then just start from scratch and redecorate all of my makeup. And Darian is now here. So we're almost done, just adding the final touches. We finished cleaning up and organizing this house. Literally looks a million times better than what it did before. Yeah. So I just ate dinner with the family, and the comforter is now dry, but I need to go to the store to get some new winter sheets. As you can see, this has been an all-day project. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I love you all so much. Bye, guys.